Did you know that with just one sentence and a single click, you can transform a simple image into a futuristic architectural poster like this? A fully detailed presentation with cinematic visuals, structural highlights, graphical information, and professional poster aesthetics, all generated by AI in seconds. Yes, and in this video, we're going to show you exactly how to do it using SUAPP AIR. Hey everyone, welcome back to Nice Tower, the place for smart SketchUp workflows, AI-powered design, and real architectural tutorials. We post high-quality videos every week to help you work faster and design better. Let's jump right in. SUAPP AI offers a collection of powerful AI tools for architects and designers. And in this video, we'll be using the SUAPP AIR plugin. Let's bring the plugin onto the screen and see how it works. From here, we click on the SUAPP AIR plugin to open its options panel. As you can see, there are dozens of different AI tools available here, and we've already created videos about some of them on our channel. Now from this section, we click on Upload, then select the image we want to transform and import it directly into SUAPP AIR. After importing the image, we click on the GPT Image 2 option, which is one of the amazing new features recently added to SUAPP AIR. Here, depending on the image we imported and the result we want to achieve, we can write a custom prompt to guide the AI generation process. After writing and confirming the prompt, we can choose the image aspect and image quality settings from this section. For this project, I selected the best mode along with 2K quality. Then clicked on Create. Usually, it only takes a few moments for SUAPP AIR to generate and prepare the final architectural poster. After a few moments, the architectural poster is generated and ready. Now let's download it and take a closer look at the details. For higher quality output, I'll change the file format to PNG and set the mode to UHD before clicking Save. You can also click on the Editing Mode button here. Then, from this section, select Architecture and choose All to display the different styles and presentation modes available. As you can see, there are dozens of styles to choose from. For this example, we'll select the Design Board 2 style. Notice that the settings and style description are automatically configured in this panel. Once everything looks good, simply click the Create button. Now we just need to wait a few moments while the AI generates the selected style. And there it is. The new design board has been created successfully. As you can see, it includes a wide range of architectural details and presentation elements. Depending on your project requirements and presentation goals, you can explore different styles and generate the one that best fits your design needs. What's really impressive about this AI-generated poster is the amount of architectural information it automatically organized into a professional presentation layout. At the top, the title Parametric Harmony immediately defines the concept of the project, focusing on the relationship between structure, light, and organic geometry. Right beside it, the Structural Systems section presents the main parametric rib framework and explains how the primary ribs, secondary ribs, skylight modules, and base connections work together as one structural language. Below that, the exploded axonometric diagram visually separates the layers of the structure, helping us better understand the assembly and construction logic of the building. Then, the Skylight Geometry section studies the roof module proportions and daylight integration system. Further down, the Material palette displays suggested architectural materials, including composite structural ribs, low-E glass skylights, polished stone flooring, and natural wood seating elements. At the center lower section, the sectional drawing explains the interior volume, overall proportions, and curvature of the parametric shell, while the key data area provides technical dimensions such as length, width, height, rib spacing, and skylight area. On the lower left side, the floor plan illustrates the spatial organization and circulation layout of the hall. Above that, the parametric logic section explains the computational design workflow, starting from input curves, moving into algorithmic generation, structural optimization, and finally producing the output geometry. The icons beside the main visualization also highlight important architectural themes like organic structure, natural lighting, parametric design, and sustainable architecture. Altogether, the AI transformed a simple architectural image into a complete futuristic presentation board with both visual impact and technical storytelling. Now let's create an architectural poster for an office interior together. First, we click on the SUAPP AIR plugin. Then from here, we select the Upload button and choose the image we want to transform. After importing the image, we select the GPT Image 2 option, and in this section, we enter our custom prompt and confirm it. After writing and confirming the prompt, we can choose the image aspect and image quality settings from this section. For this project, I selected the best mode along with 2K quality. Then clicked on Create. Usually, it only takes a few moments to SUAPP AIR to generate and prepare the final architectural poster. After a few moments, the architectural poster is generated and ready. Now let's download it and take a closer look at the details. For higher quality output, I'll change the file format to PNG and set the mode to UHD before clicking Save. This poster is a great example of how a simple office image can be transformed into a complete architectural presentation board. The layered diagrams explain the urban context, access routes, spatial hierarchy, atrium, co-working areas, public lounge, and office pods. This makes the project feel more organized and easier to understand for clients, students, or presentation juries. The exploded isometric views show the component assembly, including the primary structure, secondary structure, and the cantilevered desk. This is very useful because it doesn't only show the final design, it explains how the design is constructed. The material palette also adds another professional layer by showing concrete, sustainable wood laminate, high transparency glass, acoustic felt, lighting levels, airflow, acoustic performance, and integrated lighting. At the bottom, the floor plans and axial sections give a technical understanding of the interior layout, circulation, proportions, and spatial relationships. Overall, this poster turns a normal office render into a clear, informative, and professional architectural board that architects can use for concept presentations, portfolio projects, client meetings, or design storytelling. Now let's see where you can get these plugins. First, we go to nicetowers.com. From here, I click on the SUAPP AI section. This takes us directly to the official SUAPP AI website. Now let's quickly look at the pricing plans. There are 4 options: Basic, Standard, Pro, and Max. The basic plan starts at $99 for 3 months and is great if you mainly need rendering and style features. The standard plan at $199 for 3 months adds the SketchUp plugin and integrations with other professional software. The Pro plan, which is the most popular, is $299.25 per year. It includes image to 3D, AI tools, higher credits, unlimited cloud storage, and priority support. Perfect for a complete AI workflow. And the Max plan gives you unlimited credits and renderings, ideal for studios or heavy users, so you can choose the plan that matches your workflow and project needs. Now we click on the download button. As you can see here, several different plugins are available. SUAPP AIR is mainly for AI rendering and style transformation, turning your SketchUp screenshots into realistic visuals in different styles. SUAPP AIM is for image to 3D, helping you generate 3D models directly from reference images. SUAPP AIC focuses on AI content creation, like text to image concepts. SUAPP AIA converts images into short animations. And SUAPP AIT works as an AI design assistant to speed up your workflow. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful. For more tutorials, subscribe to Nice Tower and stay updated with our upcoming videos.